everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 12th to the 16th of April 2021 on Monday. The haze take an unexpected turn. Mangcobo panics as she receives some disturbing news. Scoot driver makes a bold but foolish move on Tuesday. Mpambani must humble himself and accept help. Scoot desperately want to be free. Njeza and Lily's relationship takes a strain on Wednesday. Mangcobo makes a great move in her haze plan while Kunzi's enemy tries to figure out her next move. Mrs. Madlala can't resist her penitence charm. Scoot driver wants to upgrade his life on Thursday. The cops are more step ahead than Mangcobo even knows. Mrs. Madlala has to fend her off her first threat to her budding romance. Scoot driver downs tools at the panel beaters on Friday. Mangcobo and her team rolls out their plan while Mpambani is unaware of the impending darkness looming over KwaMashu. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.